A fellow fan bought all of the remaining Sunjin photo cards and merch that I have. So here they are. So this is from their Gravity Tour sa Busan. I remember nito, pahirapan makakuha kasi syempre yung mga makaka-attend lang yung makakabili ng PC set na to before. So I'm really glad na I really, alam yun, nag-scour ako sa internet to get this set. And then this one are the random PCs, yung first two random PCs from the Sweet Chaos Pop-Up Limited before. And then the remaining five are a set, PC set. So, mahirap din siya kunin before cause, again, yung mga pumunta lang sa event nun yung makakabili. And then these four are from the Day 6 First Youth World Tour na PC set ni Sungjin. Ayan siya. So, these are some of them. And then next is yung meron kasi silang, ang Day 6 kasi meron silang concert every December which is called The Present. So, this is the present, I think, one of the set kasi eto nakasuit siya niyan. So, PC set niya. I think 10 or 9 or 10 pieces to, which are all good by the way. And then this is the second set. Yung Polaroid, yung hiwalay kong nabili kasi random mo talaga siya bibilhin. Itong mga sets na to, random mo siyang bibilhin and then nakadepende kung ano yung inclusion nun. So, may possibility na magdup ka, ganyan. And yung Polaroid talaga, yung pinaka nahirapan akong hanapin because during that time, yun yung pinaka hinahanap ng lahat. Nahanap and talagang gustong or parang rare siya kasi hinuhoard ng iba. So, ayan. Ito yung sa The Present nila. Isa sa The Present concert. And then this is from the Gravity Tour. So, tinatawag ata namin to before the pink version. Yung first PC niya, yung merong mukha ng nung other members sa harap and then yung sa center si Sungjin. Isa rin yun sa isa sa pinaka hinahanap nung mga panahon na yan, nung nirelease to. Kasi ang cute. And then this is the second set. Tawag namin dyan black. Ang reason naman nito is yung likod kasi nito ng PC na to, black. So later, papakita ko. Kasi ang gaganda talaga ng mga back print ng mga photo cards ng Day 6. And then next is the 5th anniversary PC set. So may 5 yan. These are all from, some of them are from the Everyday 6 and then yung isa is from the Gravity Busan. And then this, yung may Sungjin na may pinapop na balloon. O bubblegum? I don't know. Bubblegum ata. Ito yung isa sa favorite set ko talaga. Because it's so vibrant and it's the Kalbo Sungjin. Who wouldn't love the Kalbo Sungjin? I really love it. Kasi yung confidence niya talaga during the time. I really, really love it. And then, ayan. So, ito, di ba? Ang cute ng backprint talaga. Sa Youth Encore siya. Parang siya candy. Reminiscent ang candy yung color nito. Very vibrant. And then, ito yung likod naman, backprint ng 5th anniversary. Very simple with their logos. And then, some of it, ito yung sa The Present. And then, next is yung sa Gravity Black. Kaya ako sinabing black. And then, ito yung pink purple na set. And then ito yung sa Youth First Encore, sa Sweet Chaos Pop-Up, and then yung sa Gravity Busan. Nakaka-happy talaga kaya before nagko-collect ako, ito yung sa iba. Youth Encore, Centographer, You Made My Day, The Demon. Kaya nung nagko-collect ako before, yung binder ko talaga, walang PC sa likuran kasi I really love seeing the back prints when I, flip through my binder. Kasi ang pretty talaga nila. And then these are from the album. So this is from the Shoot Me album. One thing about Sungjin, nung naghahanap ako ng mga PC album niya before, as in almost, meron siyang mga almost same, pahirapan talagang malaman kung alin ang sa alin kapag ka naghahanap ka ng PC set. So look at this one. This is from the Remember Us. Tingnan niyo yung likuran. Anong difference? Maliban of course sa angle. Tingnan niyo yung likuran. Diba? Isa, dalawa. So pag maghahanap ka sa internet before, ang hirap. And then yan. So you really have to double check yung collection mo if it is really what you are looking for. And then yan, yung hand placement, yung different dun sa guitar. So ang nakaka-happy i-collect si Sungjin. And then ito talaga yung pinaka the best. Makikita niyo yung sa likuran. Yan isa, and then yung dalawa. As in, nahirapan akong hanapin yung isa kasi yun yung lagi kong chine-check dun sa marketplace before. And then this one naman, like in the PC. So this is from the Gravity album. And then this is from the Entropy album. Yan siya. Yan, o, diba? Pak! And And then, ayan. I think 4 lang ata to. Not quite sure. Pero ito yung nasa collection ko. And then, this is from the Negentropy album. Ito yung holographic PC. I think POV ata yun. And then, ito yung mga PC naman. Yan siya. Diba, isa C, yung isa naman sun yung nakikita sa likuran. Diba, ang cute. And then, these are the unit PCs na meron. This is from the Gravity album. Nabili na yung ibang PC dyan. And then, this is from the Entropy album. Next would be, ito ay sa Youth Encore. And then, ito naman, na-add lang sa Youth Encore. Pero ito yung sa The Demon album. Naka-filter yung ano nila dyan, yung camera nila dyan. I don't know why. But this is cute. Yan siya. So, kasama rin to dun sa binili niya. And then, these are the Japanese PCs. So, this is from the Unlock. Hindi ko alam kung ito yung limited version or normal. Kasi itong isa, Unlock din to. Or yung Unlock 1 ba to? I can't remember. And then, this is from If Mataa Etara. Yan siya. And then, this is The Best Day. The Best Day 2. And ito ay from Stop the Rain. And ito ay yung The Best Day 1. Ang cute, diba? Ang cute talaga ng mga back prints. Ito naman siya from the concert to. Remember Us, The Present. Ganyan siya. Mahaba siya. More like a bookmark. Pero hindi siya bookmark eh. And ang ganda niyan in person. Next is from the Sunrise album. Polaroid siya. Kaya ang ganda din talaga. Usually may perma talaga kapag ka-Polaroid nila. Then Sunrise album din yan siya. Next is from the Moonrise album. Sa Moonrise album, ito yung PC nila, bookmark style. And one thing na very unique from the Day6 album is minsan yung likuran ng mga bookmarks or PCs nila pinutol ng isang malaking poster. So kung gusto mo talaga makita yung whole picture, you have to get everything para ma-complete yung buong picture. And then this is one of my most treasured then. This is from the Best Moment Everyday 6 concert nila. This is a ticket holder type of a merch. So kaya merong mga dyan, hiwa-hiwa sa mga places. So yan. Yan siya. And then next, my favorite postcard from the Everyday 6 concerts is this one from February. Kasi ang ganda ng paper na gamit nila. It's smooth and then makapal. Kaya, ito yung pinaka-favorite ko. Some of the Everyday 6 postcards na benta ko na last year. So, these are just the remaining Sungjin postcards that I have that the fellow fan bought for me. Actually, binot niya na yung mga natitira ko talaga. And then, this is Everyday 6. I forgot which month. I think November to. I think lalagay ko na lang dyan sa edit kung ano man siya. I think this is from November. I believe it's from November. And then, ito yung official merch nila. Pero Fujifilm ang print. Seryoso, this is an official merch. And again, this was, nung they're just starting. And then, these are the freebies that I gave her. Yung mga bookmark from the album ng The Book of Us series. Ayan siya. Next, nakalagay na sila sa top loaders. This is from the Youth Ticket Book PC. And then, ito naman is from the Shinhan Bank Limited Edition. This is from the Memory Book magazine. This is from the Everyday 6 The Best Moments DVD. The Brass Badge PC. This is a limited edition of Polaroid from the Denimas 2018. These are from the Sweet Chaos Pop-Up. Mahal kasi andun si Bang. Ito namang dalawa na to is from the album The Demon. Pero nilagay ko sa top loader kasi dalawa lang sila. This is Centographer. And then You Made My Day 1 PC. Ito naman is very cute. 5th anniversary siya ng The Present yon na andun yung pink sweater ni One Pill. And then Bale ito sila, nilagay ko na sila sa yung mga set, especially nilagay ko na sa isang mga lagayan and then nilagay ko yung label nila para mas madali sa kanyang ma-identify which are which. Kasi katulad nung sa 5th anniversary and dahil 5th anniversary siya, sometimes the pieces there are also from some of the eras na meron ang si Sungjin kaya mahalaga na nahiwalay siya. This is really a hard decision to let go of my collection as these are memories of my youth, but I know these will be taken care of by the fellow fan who bought everything. So yeah, here is Sungjin's merch going to Japan.